हेलो एंड वेलकम गाइस, आई एम अभिमन्यु एंड यू आर वाचिंग बूस्ट ऑटो एके। तो मैं आज आपके सामने लेके आया हूँ सुजुकी की जिक्सर। ये 150 सीसी बाइक है और एक्चुअली मैं वीडियो बनाने नहीं वाला था बाइक्स के ऊपर, लेकिन फिर मैंने सोचा कि मुझे बनाना चाहिए। तो ये मेरा बाइक का पहला वीडियो है, पहला रिव्यू है। होप यू विल लाइक दिस वीडियो। चलो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
This is the Gixxer SF with more aggressive and sharp styling, and the most admired bike is now more sportier. It has been changed in dimensions and updated chassis, new design as well as new split seat and much more. The new Gixxer SF now weighs 146 kg, a full 6 kg more than the older model. Overall length, width, height and seat height have been increased. But the new Gixxer SF has a slightly longer wheelbase, which has increased by 10 mm. The ergonomics have been sportier thanks to the new clip-ons. First of this bike is 155 segment. I think it is best value for money bike in the market. This bike is very comfortable for long distance rides. This bike has low maintenance and service cost. The parts fitted in the bike are also high quality as compared to its rivals. It is available in 2 variants and 4 colors, powered by 155cc. These bikes come with 5-speed gearbox. It also has front and rear disc brakes along with ABS. The mileage of this bike is great compared to its rivals. It has a mileage of 46 to 47 kmpl. The fuel tank is of 12 liters, which is sufficient for this bike. Coming towards the feature, the engine is forwarded as it was in the older version Gixxer. But the wide LED headlights gives a great focus on the road and on the blind spots, and also gets the LED look awesome in the daylight. The tail light Gixxer gate are also LED and are much more wider and perfectly suited for the bike. But talking about the pillion seat, it is not so comfortable for long rides. The Suzuki Gixxer SF is powered by same 155cc single cylinder air cooled fuel injected engine. The BS6 motor now puts out 13.6 PS at 8000 rpm and 13.8 Nm at 6000 rpm, which is 0.5 PS and 0.2 Nm less than the BS4 mil. On the 5-speed transmission through, but the engine is smooth either in city or on highways. Talking about the suspension and brakes, the telescopic fork and preload adjustable monoshock of Gixxer SF have been tuned for sport ride. You get disc brakes at both ends and single channel ABS comes at standard. The brakes are so efficient you will never get to worry for instant braking situations. The next part is one of the favorite in all of us, which is exhaust sound. The exhaust sound is smooth. Just listen to it. There are no direct rivals for the Suzuki Gixxer SF. The Yamaha R15 V3 and the Hero Extreme 200S are the only two bikes that comes close to Suzuki Gixxer in terms of capabilities. Now talking about the merits of this bike, it has sharp and sporty styling. Clip-on handlebars gives it a sporty vibe. Fit and finish quality is the best among its rivals. The demerits are, the new motor produces less power than before. It comes with only single channel ABS. Now the question is this bike good for touring? Absolutely yes. The riding posture is perfect and not so aggressive. It is so comfortable for long rides as well as in city. Overall, talking about this bike, it gives a best mileage, great comfort, easy to ride, Also the suspensions are great. But my height is about 6 feet and after riding this bike for more than an hour, my hands and neck started to pain. So if you are less than 6 feet, then this bike is a perfect package for you. At last I would suggest take a long test drive and decide. But comparing it with rivals, this is one of the best bike ever. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And also drive slow and drive safe.